we're actually going to walk up there now while Bailey's having a little break because look at her now. Where are we going?
She's on a mission.
Because you know they gather so much from Sid. So her being able to go up here and smell where the other dog was and get the smell, a lot of information. Now, do you think this would be going to be too hard on her going this close to the car?
No.
No, we'll still let her see. So see how she stopped herself? That's really important information. See how she alters her body away there? That's also information. There does come a point where they do feel the need to go forward and pull forward. Oh, that's the dog game. So I think what we've done so far has given you an idea at the point at which she actually does feel I am okay, I can handle this on my own, versus being so close. Let me be on you. Being so close that she feels that magnetic need to open her mouth, right? And that's the thing about dogs. And that's the thing about dogs on a trail, is because they do kind of just show up, and then you're in the situation. But they can definitely be used.